How to make the best tacos of all time. Now these tacos will be the best tacos you'll ever have. I guarantee it. So what you do is you take 1 pound of beef. You can use, it's actually a lot better with deer meat, but any kind of meat works. You want to use 2 green peppers, 2 onions. You want to use a half a can of refried beans. You want to use 2 ounces, no, maybe 1 ounce or however much you like of minced onion. And it should look something like this. Just use however much of that you like. Cook it until it's done, or when it's close to done though, you want to add some diced tomatoes. Now before you put this in, you want to drain the juices out of it. Then dump it in. This is sort of what it should look like. Once you have the meat, the onion, the green peppers, the minced onion, and the diced tomatoes in it. Now the meat's almost done. I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit. Keep the heat on all around. Make sure that nothing gets missed, because you don't want to have any pink meat to risk improperly cooked meat, because that would not end very well. Now you're looking at this saying, ooh, this looks so good. Yes, it does. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. I really don't know how to describe the smell of it, because it's phenomenal. It's make my mouth water. Make my stomach just rumble. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit. Alright, this is what it should look like when it's done. I'm just gonna let it keep cooking just a little bit longer, like 5 more minutes. This is with the beef, the green peppers, the onions, the minced onion, the diced tomatoes, the half can of refried beans, and some original taco seasoning. Now all you need left is your taco shells and some sour cream, some olives, some lettuce, whatever you like in your tacos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below if you want me to show you how to cook some other good stuff that look kind of like this, but are actually just as good, if not better.